Hey guys, I am Fuji. Welcome to the Fuji's Kitchen. Today, I'll make chawanmushi. It's a steamed egg custard. Then, let's get started. First of all, take the dashi soup stock. Put the kelp into the water and put on high heat. Take out the kelp when just before boiling, because when it is boiled, slime will come out. When it boils, add dried bonnet. Dried bonnet called katsuobushi in Japanese. You can make delicious soup stock by adding plenty of it. Turn off the heat after adding dried bonnet flakes.
This is 命のダシ
Wait until the dried bonnet sinks. Strain the soup stock. Let the soup stock cool. Then, prepare the ingredients. Cut chicken into bite-sized pieces. You can use either breast or thigh meat. This channel introduces many Japanese food to everyone around the world. Uploaded every Friday and sometimes twice a week. Please subscribe. Cut the shiitake mushroom. Cut off the root and then slice. Slice the kamaboko. Kamaboko is fish paste. Slice into 5 to 6 mm and separate from the bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce to chicken. 1 tablespoon sake. Mix well and leave for 10 minutes. This is a vegetable called mitsuba. For example, mitsuba is like Japanese parsley. It features a refreshing scent. Tie the stems of mitsuba. This is musubi mitsuba. It's an auspicious decoration. Break the egg into the bowl. Use 2 eggs for 4 people. Mix well. Add 300 cc of soup stock to the eggs and mix well. Be sure to cool the soup before adding it. Strain the egg juice. By doing this will give you a smooth mouthfeel. Add 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce. Mix well. Serve ingredients in a bowl. First of all, use chicken as a base. Shiitake mushroom, shrimp. Kamaboko fish paste. This is boiled gingo. Pour the egg juice enough to see a little top of the ingredients. Pour carefully so that the ingredients doesn't flow. Decorate the musubi mitsuba. Put the lid. The key point of delicious chawanmushi is the ratio of egg and soup stock and the degree of steaming. The ratio of egg juice is basically 3 times the amount of soup stock. The steaming temperature is first steamed over high heat to form a film on the surface of the egg. After that, by keeping the inside of the steamer at 176 degrees Fahrenheit, you can make chawanmushi that smooth like pudding. And for seasoning, just add a little salt with light soy sauce.
This is bamboo steamer called Sailor. First, put water in the pot to the bottom. Then, put this bamboo basket on it. And put it on high heat.
When the steam rises, put the bowl in the steamer. Put the lid and steam.
The point is 3 minutes on high heat and 10 minutes on low heat. By doing this, the surface will be covered with film and the inside will be soft. Be sure to use the timer.
Steam over high heat for 3 minutes. Reduce to low heat and steam for 10 minutes. It's done.
Look, it's puru puru, puru puru. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Wow, very soft texture. I've loved this since I was a kid. I used to eat 2 or 3 when I was a kid. Today, I can use 4. I'm happy. It was delicious. I want to eat more. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and thumbs up. See you next time.